call these POS stoves.
POS
piece
stoves.
Of shit number.
Yeah.
This is POS like 15 or 17 or something. So we're using the same materials and just we experiment,
redo it
we
and see how it works.
You know, we had this same stovetop and the same configuration in here without the oven for 3 years, maybe 5 years. You know.
So where does it get warm around the outside? Maybe where, or is it insulated well around the outside?
The whole engine's insulated. With insulated brick.
Yeah.
And otherwise, it's not insulated except for this door, has fiber blanket in it. I re-insulated the door, but otherwise it's not.
Oh, hot.
I mean, it should be, but it's just didn't want to.
The exhaust coming up there. And then we got circulation.
Yeah, it just
hollow
goes
spot
around here. So these are hotter. These are cooler, and then the oven goes down into a bell.
Got it.
And stratifies down.
And then you got that insulated chimney outside.
Yeah, that just happened to be. There was some double wall lying around. It's not really insulated. It's just air insulated.
Right.
But it's got 2 walls, so
right.
the hot air will stay hot longer and go up faster.
Oh, priming port there. Oh yeah, you really beefed this up. This door.
Yeah.
It's a heavy door.
Yeah, I took it apart and put fiber blanket in.
Yeah.
Because the mouse had. This thing was sitting outside for 10 years.
Ha.
We used it over there before. Chad had it in an oven.
That's a solid oven.
Yeah. It's not bad.
No.
And he had it in a configuration. One of the earlier POS stoves, he had it up here and had a metal stove down here that kind of just went up around it, I think. Right. I don't know whether it was white or, but yeah, it went around it. And so that worked not very well.
Was that an electric or a gas oven before? When in its first life?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I just picked up, it was sitting outside for 10 years again.
Just got it sitting outside.
And then I just had to rehinge it and put this thing on to hold it.
Yeah.
And I think this thing will get 350.
That's great. And then you can can in here instead of in the house.
Yep.
Perfect.